This is the Rototom Splash festival that took place in Spain. And yes, one of Africa's biggest masquerade in terms of high life and Afrobeat performed last night massively. And trust me, it's no other person but Flavour, the Ijele one of Africa. You can call this the Afro brunch. And yes, it was massive. It had a lot of appearance and Flavour delivered massively in this one. Well, here's a highlight from it. You know, as usual, I will always give you guys the massive highlights when it comes to Flavour. And don't also forget, this coming Sunday at the Oval Arena in London, Flavour is hosting his concert, the African Royalty Tour concert in London. So get your tickets and get ready to go party over there. Before then, let's enjoy this massive one from the Ijele one of Africa in Spain. Please don't forget to subscribe, drop a comment below.
A beautiful night to remember, and we are making memories together. It is a beautiful night to remember, with a beautiful girl like you. It is a beautiful night to remember, with one name in the building. It's a beautiful day to remember. Rototom in numbers. Something meaningful on your heart, oh, on your my sexy rose, my Asheri Coco. My baby, I see something beautiful for your man, and you too fine, oh. My baby, you too fine, oh. You're so fine, and you're too sweet, oh. You're sweet like orange. I want the extra mile, oh. Anything for you, my baby, because your waist 34 and your hips 44, and you were now there. Walk it in, hey, okay then. big boys in the house, for the big boys, for the big boys, for the big dogs. Say, now you know, if you know, you know, the big ballers in town. Now you know, now you know. Forget what I know, yeah. Aquabola, how much is money? Balling, premium or nothing. Now you know. Are you ready to shake something now? Show them now. Show them now. Show them now. 1, 2, 3, go. Now only one kid go say you don't find better.